Welcome to this demo video of the Luris Contract Tool. On the top right corner of the Luris website, you will find the Contracts button. This button will take you to the Luris Contract Tool. This is the information page of the Luris Contract Tool. Here you will find information regarding the use of the tool, what type of documents you are able to create with the tool, and what information you need to have on hand before using the tool. On this page, you will also find a link to the model we have created to assist you when you are not sure what type of contract you need for your project. For the use of this model, you do not need an account. To use the other models of the Luris Contract Tool, you do need an account. You can easily create one on the Luris website. Go back to the page Home Luris Contract Tool and go to Create an Account here underneath the Login button. After answering the questions, you will receive an email with your new account details. To log into the Luris Contract Tool, select the Login button. Log in with the account details you received in your inbox. Your password can be changed here as well. Select I forgot my password, and you will receive an email with a link to change it. After you have logged in, you will see an overview with all the available models. This overview allows you to select, start, and/or reopen sessions of the required model. As you can see, the model that guides you to the right contract is available here as well. After selecting one of the models, your user history will appear on the right side of the screen. This will, of course, be empty when you use a model for the first time. After your first use, it will show you your started and completed sessions. Both started and completed sessions can be reopened at any time. Just select the name you have given the session, and it will reopen where you last left the session. You can also easily create a copy of an existing session, which is useful when you wish to change just one answer or create the exact same contract or form. To help you find your sessions, you can search the name in this field. Select X to delete a session. To start a new session, select the Create a New Document button. For the purpose of this demonstration video, we will reopen a completed session of the Confidentiality Disclosure Agreement. We have called this session Demo. The first question asked in each model is to name your session. Please note that this is not the name of your document itself. It is just for you to recognize the session and create a document for future purposes. The models consist of questions with an open field and questions with a drop-down list. The latter can be recognized by the downward pointing arrow. A drop-down list contains two or more options which you have to choose from in order to go to the next step in the model. As you might have already noticed, a number of items in the models are provided with explanations. These explanations can be recognized by this icon. To navigate through the model, use the buttons Next, Prior, and Stop. On the left side of the screen, the current step and the already completed steps will be shown. This function allows you to easily navigate through the different steps of the model. Above this list, you will find the button Overview, which will bring you back to the overview of all the models. While working in a session, you will always be able to go back to the information and contact pages. They are shown at the top of this page. To complete the model and create your document, in this case a CDA, the last step consists of entering the email address where you wish to receive your created contract or form. It will be sent to this email address as a PDF with a short message. We advise you to read this message before sending the contract to your counterpart.